Hello guys, welcome to Lighthouse FX. A big shout out to my newest subscribers, and for those who have been a member or a part of this community, a big shout out to you too. Thank you for the support, thanks for the love, thanks for the share, thanks for the like, thanks for the subscription. So today I've come with a very exciting information to you guys, especially to the beginners forex trader out there. So today I'll be helping you navigate your way to create an account on MetaTrader 5 and help you understand how MetaTrader 5 works. So first and foremost, I would like to draw your attention to do something very important for me. So while the video or the teaching will go on, please, if you find any vital information or you're getting any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any information or any series or any vital piece that I'll be dropping on this channel. So let's quickly go straight into the business of the day because I don't really want this video to be too long. So if you're using an Android device, if you're using an iPhone or iOS device, you're just going to go to Play Store first and foremost and download the app. Meanwhile, there are two ways to access the MetaTrader 5 or to so it's either you go through the broker, create an account, come here and log in, or you create a demo account to the MT5 direct as a beginner forex trader. So I'm just going to walk you through how to access MetaTrader 5 directly, and then there's a video I dropped on my channel how to create an account on Xness. I think I'll be linking that video to this so it will be easier for you if you've not known or you've not created an account on Xness. But today I'll be walking you through directly how to create or access MetaTrader 5. Is actually going to be a demo account directly. So you just need to go to either Play Store or App Store and then wait for it to load. Then you're going to come here and search for, you see on the search tab here, you're going to search for MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. So we have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, whichever works for you. So you're just going to come, you can see mine is showing open because I've downloaded it already. If you've not downloaded it here, it's going to show you the download sign. So you're just going to click it. But if you've downloaded it or once it's done downloading, you're going to click on open. And then you wait for it to load and open. So once it opens, you're going to see a lot of currency pairs right here where it is written codes at the bottom left side of your device or your phone. So you're going to see codes. What is happening in this codes now, what you're going to understand is that you're going to see a lot of currency pairs, even the ones that you don't trade. So you're just going to filter them, and if you've not seen the one that you're interested in trading, you're just going to filter it by coming to this top right corner of your phone where there's a sign of a pen here or a pencil. So you're going to click on it, and then if you want to delete that currency pair, you're just going to toggle on it, select that currency pair, and then once you toggle it, you're going to see on the top right side of your phone, you're going to see delete icon. So you're going to click on delete, and boom, that's it, you've deleted it. So this, you can see only GBP USD is showing here. So if you want to add a lot other currency pair, you're just going to click on this search tab, and then click on GBP, I say GBP JPY, GBP JPY. Okay, I'm saying GBP JPY. So you can see GBP JPY just popped up. So you're going to toggle on it, and then it's selected already. You can see that's pounds and sterling. Just toggle it, and that's all. Then you go back to your currency pairs. Sorry, GBP JPY. Yes, just toggle it, and that's all. So you can see this is the currency. But first of all, before you get to this point, I forgot I didn't tell you how to create an account. So first of all, you can see already an account is logged in here. What I'm just going to do now, I'm going to click on this place. I'm going to log out of this account first and then go back and then show you guys. Let's delete this account. Delete. Yeah. So let's say we don't have an account here already. So what you just need to do first and foremost, click on settings, which is the main reason why we are here, to create an account so you'll be able to trade. Click on settings and then click on new accounts. As a beginner or as a new buyer who have not accessed MetaTrader 5 before, you're going to click on new accounts. But if you've had accounts with other brokers and you want to log into MetaTrader 5, you can click on trade accounts. So you're going to click on new accounts and then you'll see a MetaCodes Limited. You're just going to search for XNES, because XNES is one of the very reliable or most reliable broker you can find when it talks of forex trading. So I recommend XNES, and I'm going to be dropping or linking a video where you watch how to create an account on XNES, or maybe I will just create a new content prior to other updates that would have sufficed on XNES. So you're just going to search for XNES. Yeah, if you're using a different broker, you're just going to search for that broker, XNES, and click on XNES Technologies. So when creating your XNES account, you discover that they would give you some information on that XNES app where you created an account and a trading account. So they're going to give you a login and then the password you use in creating that account, and then they'll give you the server type. So you're just going to come here, select the server that was given to you. If it's a real account, you see real. If it's a trial, you see trial account, and then you click on it. Once you click on it and then fill in these spaces here, you're just going to toggle it, fill the information, toggle it, fill the information, and then you click on login. When you're done, you see, that is it. So if you don't have any of these accounts and then you just want to create an account directly on MetaTrader 5, not through an XNES account, you're just going to come to the top where it is written trade accounts, click on it, and then you click on the plus sign here, and then you click on MetaCodes. You click on demo accounts here. Since you're a beginner forex trader, peradventure if you're watching this video, it means that you've not really find your way through MetaTrader 5, or you're just coming up, you're just starting forex trading. So you're going to click on this first name, input your first name, last name, input your last name, and then your date of birth. It's not really very important or vital. So when you come here to input your phone number, you're just going to click on type the country code first before inputting the number, and then your email. After which you're going to come down here and then you see the leverage deposits, whichever amount you want to start with. You can just click on $3,000. Most times I don't encourage beginners going to start trading with a very high account balance. So I'm just going to come here. You see the leverage 1 to 100. You can actually change that to 1 to 200 or whatever. 1 to 100 is actually good. And then click on accept, and then you click on register. So you can see account created already. So you're just going to click on start. This is a demo account, and then for your codes. Yeah, it's still loading up. Yeah, it's still loading up. You can see our account already balanced $3,000. So on this history, this is where you're going to be seeing your previous trades, the trades you've entered previously. This is where you're going to be seeing them. So you just have to come now and you can see the charts here. So this is GBP USD actually, and then the codes like I told you. So you can see a lot of currency pairs here, even the ones I know you're not going to trade. So you just have to come here now to search for a new currency pair or to delete these currency pairs. Excuse me. So you're just going to come to the top right corner of your phone here and click on this pencil icon, and then you're going to tap or toggle on the ones you don't want to see here to filter the list. And then after you toggle on all that you don't want to see here, you click on delete. So peradventure you want to trade another currency pair and it's not here, you're just going to come to the search tab and search for, let's say, GBP, JPY, and then you toggle on it, and that's all. So you're just going to go back, and then you can see the currency pair here. You can actually click on it and select the chart directly. So you can see GBP is going down, it's selling. That's on a daily time frame. So to change your time frames, you're just going to come to this top left corner of your phone and then click on where it's written D1, and then change it to that 30 minutes time frame, 50 minutes time frame, like that. So let's go back to our GBP USD. So for instance, you've seen GBP USD, it's going to buy, and then you want to execute a trade. You're just going to click on trade. When you click on trade, you come to the top right corner and click on the plus sign here. On the plus sign, always make sure you check on the top. It will be written the currency pair that you want to trade, pound sterling versus dollar, that's GBP USD. So you're going to confirm that it's not JPY, because you're taking your analysis on GBP USD, and then sometimes you may make that mistake and go and take your trade on GBP JPY, you see. So you're just going to come, and if you're not going to take the market execution, you don't want to trade the current market price, you're just going to click on this icon here, that this arrow that is shooting to the down at the top right corner of your phone. Click on it. It's going to show different options: the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. I'm going to be dropping a video separately to explain what these terms means and how you can use them, so stay tuned so that you don't miss out. So when you're done, you're just going to click on this good sign that's marked up here at the top right corner of your phone. Then you're done, and then when you want to change your lot size, you're just going to come where it's written 0.05, and then you can reduce it. You can 0.05, you can see come back 0.10, like that, and then you can see your sell or buy here. Now you want to set your stop loss and take profit. You're just going to click on here. It is written not set here by the right, and then you can see this plus arrow. I'm just going to click on it like this, and then if the current market price is at 1.32286, you're going to top your SL as 1.32280, and then come to your take profit, because GBP USD is going to buy, so you're going to come to 1.32290. So let's buy. Let's see how it goes. So you can see we are buying on GBP USD. And then come to the chart where you're going to be doing your analysis or thereabouts. So you can see I've shown you how you can create change the time frame, and then this plus sign that is at the top here is to help you mark out important levels, or you want to check for maybe some values. You're going to click on it, and then you see this arrow sign with lines here. It's going to help you navigate your way to get some figures. Maybe you want to get the values for your stop loss or your take profit. You're going to just bring it down here, you see. So if you're looking for other options, other indicators, so you're just going to come here, click on this place where it is written F after or beside the plus sign here, and then you're going to click on it F, and then you're going to search for the indicators you want to use. As if you trade with indicator. As a beginner, I don't think you should find your way with indicator. I don't think you should find yourself using an indicator. So you're going to click on this place where it is written, you can see something like a circle, triangle, and a rectangle all together. That's where you see most of the tools you'll be using to do analysis. Although the best place to do analysis is trading view. That's what we use actually. I'm still going to be doing a video how you can navigate your way through trading view, and then the tools there, how to make use of them. So you're going to click on this now, and then you're going to see your trend line, horizontal line, and all other tools that you can be using. So this is your trend line. You're just going to click here, and then okay, this is a vertical line actually. Now let's go for our trend line. So you're just going to click it here and then drag it here wherever you want to take it to. You plot your trend. So you see, so that's it. So if you want to delete it, you're just gonna click it and then delete. I'm gonna click it, hold it a little, and then delete. You see, that's all. So this is how you can find your way through MetaTrader 5. And then if you come here, you see the history of your trades. You can see we've closed. I think the trade has closed in loss. You can see it. You can see it. So that's it. So if you want to change anything or do some other settings here, that's it. So let's take, for instance, you've created your Exness account, and then you've created a trading account on the Exness app, and you want to log in. You're just going to come to settings and click on this. You can see something like a demo written at the top right of your phone. So you're just going to see an arrow there. You click on it, the box there, and then you click on the plus sign that is at the top right corner of the phone, and then you search for the broker. I'm saying Exness because that's what I'm using, and it's reliable and easy to navigate through, and very promising. So you're just gonna click on Exness technology, and then whichever information is given to you on the Exness account when you created a trading account, it's going to impute it here, MT5 real 17 or real 18 or real 19, and then enter the login. There's a digit that you'll be given on the Exness app, and then you enter the password you use to create in the trading account, and then you click on save password, so you don't need to always come here and impute password, and then you click on done. It's gonna log in. When you fill these details, you see I'm not filling in those details, so it's gonna show me where I will submit this information and log in. So once you do that, you're going to log in, and whatever you're trading here will affect the account right there. If you're on profit, you see your balance is going to increase from the Exness account. So if you're in losses, you see your balance is going to reduce. So this is how to find your way through MetaTrader 5. If you've gotten any value from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, toggle on the notification, so once I drop another new content or once I draw another valuable information here, you'll be part of the first persons to be informed about it, so you don't miss out on important information to grow as a beginner forex trader. Thanks so much. A big shout out to you guys. Blessed.